After several leaks and rumors, the Samsung has now finally launched its new smartphone called Galaxy M16 with 5G support. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy M16 5G features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6 and 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1.5 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Galaxy M16 5G sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with f2.2 aperture, and there is 2-megapixel macro lens, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 13-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15, based on One UI 7 skin on top, and the company promises to provide up to 6 years of OS and security updates. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.4 by 77.9 by 7.9 millimeters, and it weighs around 191 grams. So now let's break down pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy M16 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 11,499 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 12,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 14,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from March 5th, in blush pink, mint green, and thunder black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy M16 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.